Okay, this is question 4.2, a general reduction problem. And let's do it. Cosine of 180 degrees minus x. We're supposed to reduce this. Well, whenever you have this x thing, you've got the reference angle. So you've got the wedge. It's going to be like the cosine of x, but your problem is to figure out where is the 180 minus x. Well, there's 180 degrees, and going negative means bending this way, clockwise. So 180 minus x is right there. You just have to know that. You're in the second quadrant. Cosine's negative there. You get a mark for writing minus cos x and put a bracket around it. It makes things way easier. There's 360 degrees. Minus x means you bend down into the fourth quadrant. That's 360 minus x. Just pretend x is 45 degrees or something. You go down there in an acute angle and you'll get to the right place. Fourth quadrant. Well, tangent's negative there, so it's minus tan x. Well, the sine of 90 plus x. If you see the sine and you see 90, it's a cofunction problem, and sine turns into cosine. That's all there is to it. And 90 plus x is up here, and sine is positive there, so that's why that stays positive. 180 plus x. Well, there's 180, and plus x, you bend. You have to know where it is, and you know that tangent's positive down there in the third quadrant. You can use that all stations to Cape Town thing. And now the cosine of 180 degrees. Now you have to demonstrate you can do that without a calculator. That's what they say. So you can write a unit circle, and your knowledge of that, figure out that 180 degrees, if you go to it, that the x value is minus 1, so it should be minus 1. Or you can just do a quick sketch of a cosine function. It starts at 1, goes to 0, minus 1, 0. And you don't have to put in all the angles and all this stuff. You just have to put a minus 1 down here and 180 here in this shape. And just do a quick little wave and 180 right in the middle of those 4 beats. Have it be minus 1. That shows that you understand why the cosine of 180 is minus 1. Well, look at this thing. Count the negatives. 1, 2, 3. That makes the answer negative. If you get an odd number of negatives, it makes it negative. That's positive, and divided by negative, it's negative anyways. But cos divided by cos is 1. Tan divided by tan is 1. And this is just 1, so the whole answer, I think, is just minus 1.